Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with InVideo for editing voiceovers and captions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type InVideo into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official InVideo website link. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button and click on it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, you can choose to sign up using your email address. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and enter it in the appropriate box. If you prefer, you can also sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Select the option that works best for you. After filling in your information, click on the Sign Up or Continue button. You may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for an email from InVideo. Open the email and click on the verification link. This will take you back to the InVideo website. Once verified, log in with your registered email and password. Now you're inside the InVideo dashboard. Explore the various templates available for video editing. To start editing voiceovers and captions, select a template or start from scratch. Upload your video or choose one from the library. Once your video is on the timeline, locate the voiceover option. Click on it to add your voiceover. Record your voiceover directly or upload a pre-recorded file. Position the voiceover track as needed on the timeline. Next, to add captions, click on the text option. Choose Add Captions from the drop-down menu. Type in your captions and adjust the timing to match the audio. Make sure to preview your video to check for any adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.